Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Cheval, Florida. It's like a upscale area. Actually, I think Tom Brady lived out here. I'm doing this pool cage and this pool deck, which is very filthy. Um, it's gonna take me a while to get this one done, guys. But this customer is gonna sell this house, and I was just here a couple days ago doing the neighbor's house, and she got my card, and we got to set it up for today. So this is what we're doing. Very dirty. I'm not even gonna mess around with this one. I'm gonna hit this one with a 5%. Same thing as a 50-50 mix of SH and water. I'm gonna add about 1 ounce of surfactant per 5 gallons of mix. This one has a lot of algae on it. It's been neglected for a while. I'm also gonna be doing the pool deck also. Yeah, we're not gonna mess around with this one at all. I mean, this thing is caked up everywhere. This is bad. But we're gonna get it done, man, regardless. You know how we do. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and start from the outside of the cage and work my way inside, man. Let's get it. This cage was pretty bad, guys, so I may have to double back and hit a couple of spots over again because there's a lot of lichen on here, and you guys know how lichen are. So it is what it is. Like this one here, you guys can tell got some stripes on it. There's still algae left behind. Once I hit that one more time, all that gonna come off. I'm gonna go ahead and treat these again. All these spots right here with this heavy lichen. Just one more time to get everything off. right, it looks like everything has been hit. Whatever was up there already came coming off, so I'm gonna let it dwell for a little bit before I rinse, and I start doing the pool deck. This is it. Project is all done. Cage is looking good. This one took some time, but we got it done, man. I think the customer's gonna be pretty happy. She's not home right now. I just take some after pictures, send them to her. But yeah, man, very happy with the project. In and out, man, just in and out. Alright guys, so a lot of people are asking me how do I get my jobs, and you know, what's the best way to, you know, get new customers. It's a lot of ways you can get new customers. There's paid ways you can get them, or you know what I'm saying, you're gonna have to put your boots on the ground, man. Me, you know, I take that approach where, you know, I do the yard signs. They work real good. You know, when I put yard signs out, within like a day or two, my phone starts ringing like non-stop. Second way you can get a lot of jobs is through your flyers. I got some flyers I put out. Every time I do a job, I do my 5 around, I drop a flyer. You can do your Google My Business. It's a free tool, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta stay active on there. You know, you gotta pretty much post on there. I try to post on it every other day. You know what I'm saying? So you stay active on there. You know, Google's actually gonna put you up there. You're not gonna be up there as far as, you know, the people that's paying for the ads and stuff like that, but you'll be relevant. Another way to get jobs is, of course, Facebook groups. You get a lot of jobs from there. Also, don't be scared to go into these places that you see. You know, don't be, you know, if you're driving by and you see a plaza or something dirty, you know, just drop in there. You never know. You might pick up a new customer. It's not complicated, man. I know sometimes you get the slow spells. You know, nobody calling you. Your phone's not ringing, but don't give up, man. You know, sometimes I put yard signs out. I don't get no calls, and it's fine. Sometimes you put them out, somebody yanks them, and it's fine. Cause if you pay, let's say you paid $200 for 100 signs, one sign you can make $400-500 off, just one sign. You know what I'm saying? So me, what I do personally with the yard signs, I know a lot of people like to put them out on Fridays because the city pulls them up during the week. Personally, what I do is I put them out on Thursday night. So why I do that is because, so you got people that commute to work, you know what I'm saying, to work and back home in certain areas. So I put my yard signs in those areas where I know there's gonna be a lot of traffic. And you know, yeah, some of them might get pulled up, but sometimes they might not, and they can last the whole entire weekend also, until Monday when they start pulling them up again. So I try to get those people that's gonna be commuting to work, because most likely they're not gonna be going through there in the weekends once they get off work on Friday. So they gotta drive back past it 2 times that day. You know what I'm saying? And I get the folks on the weekend also. So just a couple of tips, man, for y'all to get new jobs, new customers. Don't give up, man. Y'all keep pushing. Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. I'll catch y'all in the next video.